Hi Cancer, welcome to your reading. So this is your reading for July 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. So what's the situation for our Cancer people from July 1 to 15, 2025? Let's take a look at your situation. Okay. Oops. Okay. Five of Wands. That sword. Five of Cups. Oh my God. Parang ang bigat naman ng reading na to. Cancer. So, paalala lang po, I'm just reading your card. So, take what's resonate, leave the rest that are not. I am not a professional reader or psychic. So, I just do it for entertainment purposes. Don't take it personally. And yung mga cards nito is kapay lang. Okay? So, let's start. Cancer. Kasi medyo mabigat yung cards niyo. Although they are all in upright position, pero isa-isahin natin. Parang ang bigat talaga. Okay, Five of Wands, first week of July. Okay, Cancer, if you are in a relationship, there might be some romantic competition going on between you and that person. Maybe a third party. There might be something. Or an ex. Nasasabi ko yung ex. Okay, if you are in a relationship, Cancer, I think the person that you are with is parang nakikipag-usap pa rin sa ex nila. Kaya you are you are you are defending yourself, defending your property. Property ba tawag dun? Defending your love siguro para sa inyong loved ones. Because andyan pa rin yung ex umaaligid, diba? It's not just one. There are others also. This is a card of a playful situation or a playful energy. So maybe yung partner nyo is someone na may pagka-playboy or pagka-playgirl. So, kayo lang nakakaalam niyan, okay? I'm not saying that they are, but you know who they are. And I'm just reading your cards. Okay? No hard feelings. So, just take what's resonate with the rest. But ang natin palagi kong sinasabi, if it's not related to you and you know your partner that is not cheating or not playful whatsoever, not a playboy or playgirl, then just leave it. Okay. Though these readings might not be for you. So, madami ibang resource dyan. But for those people, Cancer, na alam nila yun, ang ugali ng nila, partner nila, jowa nila, parang yun na nga nasa-sense ko. You are fighting for yourself, you are fighting for your love, and you know na boyfriend ko siya, girlfriend ko siya. Why do you guys care? Parang ganun. Why, parang you are setting up a boundary between you and those person in the past. Ganun. Okay. In financial situation, there might be some challenges going on. So, may mga pagtatalong magaganap. If you are single, then this might mean within your family or within your co-workmates. Ganun. So, the second one is the Five of Swords. This indicates also the conflict, toxic environment. So, there's two cards here. Cancer. Five of Swords and Five of Wands. When you look at these two cards, parang both of them, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Both of them are in clash, in tensions, in conflict, arguments, miscommunication, betrayal, deception. But not all bads, di ba? Maybe in your co-workmates, there's a healthy, uh, I mean, healthy competition going on. Siguro, kung sino yung makahit ng targets, ganun. But, I do sense that you are, pinapalibutan ka ng mga toxic people. I might say that. Because there's a lot of conflict going on, arguments, at hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Ganun yung nasasend ko sa inyo, Cancer. I'm sorry for your reading. So, at the end of July, you have the Five of Cups, which indicates an emotional loss, sadness, maybe in love or in career, disappointment. Parang because of this toxic energy, this toxic situation, both in your love life or in your career, you feel so lost, you feel depressed, you feel so sad, you feel so unmotivated. Parang ganun. Kaya, ang bigat ng card ng Cancer. So, let's just pray na hindi ito mangyari, but ako, nagbabasa lang po ng cards at mabigat talaga yung pakiramdam ko sa mga cards mo, Cancer, because sa pagpasok ng July, nasa very challenging situation kayo. And you will feel unmotivated, sad, lost. Parang you feel alone. And parang you feel parang nasa-sense ko na ayoko na, ganun. Suko na ako, ganun. Okay, so kung ano man yung situation na pinanggalingan nyo, nararanasan nyo ngayon, or mararanasan nyo pa, Cancer, I suggest to pray for guidance and you have to remember that there are people around you na andyan pa rin para suportahan kayo in life. You have families, if you have best friends, then kung may mga tao kayong pinagkakatiwalaan, this might be the time to talk to them about your ongoing life situation. Mabigat ang July 1 to 15. Cancer, this is your advice. Let's get advice from the universe, from angel. Kung ano yung dapat mong gawin this July 1 to 15, 2025. Advice for Cancer this July 16, 2025. Soul Awakening. Okay, Cancer, makinig. Soul Awakening, you are quite irresistible when your mind and heart pulse in the same rhythm. Why spend your days fighting yourself? You have better things to do. Okay, alright. Okay, Cancer, one thing I sense because of this guidance, um, are you parang sinisisi niyo ba yung sarili niyo sa mga nangyari, sa mga conflict niyo with your love life, with your co-workmates? I think the universe is telling you to not, huwag yung sisihin yung sarili mo. Do not fight yourself. Kakampi mo yung sarili mo. Huwag mong abusuhin yung sarili mo. Huwag mong, kasi walang ibang kakapitan yung self mo kundi kayo lang. Okay? And there's soul awakening going on with your life. Sabi nila, there's a soul awakening. So you just have to focus your mind and your heart, and they know that you are going to get through this very challenging situation, very toxic situation. Kakampi mo ang universe, kakampi mo ang family mo, ang friend mo, kung may mga tao kang pinagkakatiwalaan, then you have to open up with them para maging, mas gumaan yung pakiramdam mo. Okay? Alright. Cancer? That's your reading. I know, medyo mabigat, but take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Cancer. Bye-bye.